You know a question we get frequently, should I get Invisalign or should I get braces? When patients ask this, they always lean in like I am about to reveal some big secret. So here it is, neither one is drastically better than the other. It actually all depends on you and your preference. I know that is not the dramatic answer you wanted, but stay with me, because I will tell you why one might be better for you specifically than the other. Your teeth, your mouth, and frankly, your personality will answer this question. So let me break it down the way I would if you were sitting right here. First, how do they actually work? Braces use little brackets glued onto your teeth with a wire running across them. Every so often, we tighten that wire and it gently nudges your teeth into place. They have been around forever, and there is a good reason for that. They flat out work. Invisalign is a different animal. Instead of brackets and wires, you wear a series of clear removable trays. Each one is custom made to move your teeth just a little. Every couple of weeks, you pop in a new tray and you can take them out to eat and to brush your teeth. Now here is where it gets interesting. The research on this is surprisingly clear. A big review of clinical studies found both methods work really well. Braces straightened things out successfully around 90% of the time, and Invisalign was right on its heels at about 88%. That is close enough to make them basically neck and neck. But here is the plot twist nobody expects. On average, the Invisalign cases actually finished faster. Around 18 months for the clear trays versus about 24 months for braces. Those numbers come from research on the general public. That is not me promising you or guaranteeing anything. Your mouth is your mouth and your timeline is your timeline. So if both work and one is often faster, why on earth would anyone pick braces? Braces can be uncomfortable, they can cut your lips or gums, but this is what nobody talks about. This is why some people prefer braces. Stick with me. Here is why braces are still the heavyweight champion. For the complicated stuff, braces give me more direct control. Severe crowding, a stubborn bite, teeth that need to do a full spin. Braces handle that like a pro. Invisalign, on the other hand, is the smooth talker of the two. It really shines for mild to moderate cases. A little crowding, small gaps, teeth that are just slightly out of line. Then add in the part most everyone loves. The trays are nearly invisible. You can take them out for a big meeting, a wedding, or a hot date. A lot of my adult patients love that they can fix their smile without announcing it to the entire world. But I'm not going to sit here and pretend Invisalign is flawless, because here is the catch: it only works if you actually wear it. The research says those trays need to be in your mouth around 22 hours a day, so if you are the type who is going to take them out at lunch, wrap them in a napkin, and accidentally throw them away, then braces might honestly be your best friend. But do not let braces off the hook either. They are trickier to clean, they can rub your cheeks the wrong way, and there is no popping them out for the perfect photo. So who is each one really for? Braces are often the better pick for complex cases, and for younger patients who may not babysit a set of trays all day. Invisalign tends to be a great fit for adults and responsible teens with mild to moderate issues who want something nobody will notice. You cannot figure out which one is right for you from a video of some guy talking. You need someone to actually look at your teeth. And that is exactly why this month I am offering a complimentary smile preview right here at Classic Dental Arts. No pressure, no commitment, and no scary dental tools, I promise. If you have been thinking about fixing your smile, this is the easiest first step there is. Tap the link below, or give us a call and come claim your complimentary smile preview. My name is Dr. Spiros Karas, the general dentist here in Manalapan, New Jersey. Come say hello.